Quita esa madre y luego you're probably gonna have to let me go get the key, güey. We connect. Damn, they fucking did this shit all legit over here now. Yeah.
Get some medicine or some gas. More in that motherfucking hole.
I already have. They keep. Mira. Shit's already loose as a goose. Vale, pues. Fuck, how do we get in there? How do we get in there? Whoa. Oh, it's because. Yeah, we had it more back there.
Maybe pull it more forward, maybe. Just a little bit.
Pero it's on Tin Park. La verga. Right there. La verga. Right there, close your door. Roll, can you roll down that window? Pliers? What the fuck, homie? Bueno, ciérrale. Just leave it kind of cracked so you can hear. Okay. Fuck, I'm gonna try to push it, wey. La verga, vato. Fuck, vente, let's push this bitch. It's in neutral? Vente, pues. Let's push this bitch. Vale. La verga, güey. She ain't going nowhere. It's in neutral, you sure? In reverse? Oh. Neutral or reverse, ese? You put it in reverse?
Check it.
La verga. Let's see where we're at. No, they're all fucked up. A ver qué pedo, dale. Fuck, wey. How are we supposed to do this shit? I didn't think it was gonna be that heavy. Una mexicanada, fuck it. The straps, homie. There's nothing here. Where? No. Too much work. It's because he fucking gave me flat ass tires and shit. That's what fucked it up. We're gonna put my 22s on there de una vez. Roll it off. Pero dale gas, güey. We're gonna have to try and push this shit.
65R17.
Esta madre. Let's see. Eh?
These lug nuts ain't gonna work, bro.
Why? Who said? Who the fuck? Hey, I got some over here. Then. Fuck, no, better not. Who said? Who the fuck said, homie? Así quedan. This one's twisted like that. Oh, twisted. Eh? The ants. Fuck them ants. Shit.
Fucking one that bit me still hurts, bro. Where's my hole? I can't get in tonight.
We got all my tools in the other truck. We went for the jacks, didn't grab the tools. She my. This motherfucker looks twisted too.
Change that front one, it'll make it easier to go down.
Yeah, we'll do the front ahorita when we lower it, no?
Yeah, might as well. You only need to do one anyways. But we just have to pull it more forward.
A ver.
Need a 6 for.
Huh? Oh, you want to do the front right now? ¿De una vez o qué? I don't know, shit. We could do it right now. Go fuck. I said we just fucking do it right now. That way we ain't struggling. You know?
Pull it back forward just a little bit.
Well, then we gotta drop it over here. Espérate. Let's see if I can bring it this way, no? De una vez. Hell yeah, homie. Right there, no? Hell yeah, homie.
Se estaban acabando, güey.
Huh?
He's already
Oh,
finished.
what the fuck? The hell? I guess. And the lineman, huh? I think right there, ahí la hace.
Ooh, it's hot in there.
Shit, it's hot out here, wait, fuck. Damn. A ver, wait, jump to that side. You already over there? Jump to that side.
For what?
Loosen it.
You're gonna loosen that side too? That
Yeah.
side's still good? Or are you gonna change it out?
Yeah, might as well fucking do all four of them. Where's the other tire? I'll go get it. I thought you were on that side, way. I didn't know you were grabbing all this shit, my bad.
No, I didn't know you were.
Fuck it, de una vez. Hey, well, you pissed the man's off, way.
There.
No, no, right there. Right. Dale, güey. Yeah. Am I good?
Yeah, let it go, let it go, let it go. All right, now we got to jump that board.
Which board?
Oh, there it goes. Go slow, you're going good, keep going straight.
Did we? Yeah. Hey?
You have to cut it. You have to turn it towards me a little bit. Go straight just a little bit.
Date. Ahora sí. Dale, guys. See if we're gonna be able to, eh? Dale, dale, dale. You got this, way. You got this. Let it go. Dale, right there. Espérate. Let me get out and help you. Okay. Dale, dale. Okay, we got it. Espérate, espérate, espérate.
That's the one for me.
I can't, motherfucker. I'm not even in there.